Hello students. Today we are going to discuss determiners. First of all, what are determiners? Now, the answer is determiners are modifiers. We can call them as modifiers also. They are put before nouns to enhance the meaning and significance of the noun in a sentence. They add value to the nouns in the sentence, even defining them in a way. Determiners often function like adjectives in a sentence. Determiners can be a word, it means only one word, or a group of words that adds specification to the noun and gives them the idea about the quantity of the noun. Now, for example, I found this small dog in the garden today. Here, this is a determiner. Which dog? This dog. So this is pointing out to a certain dog. So this word here is playing the role of a determiner for the noun small dog. Okay. Now second example. Mr. Kumar had a large amount of money hidden in his house. Now you can very well see that here determiner is a group of words. In the first sentence it was a single word determiner. In the second example it is a group of words determiner. A large amount of. So this determiner is determining what? Money, which Mr. Kumar had. So money is noun and this is clarifying, signifying that which amount? A large amount of money. So here this group of words are playing the role of a determiner in this sentence. Now characteristics of determiners. There are 3 points I have mentioned here for you. First is determiners may give an idea about the quantity of the noun. They tell us about the determiner words tell us about the quantity of the noun. Here we have read just now that money in which a large amount. So it is telling about the quantity, this determiner. In the same manner, the second point is determiners can simplify and explain what a noun is referring to. It tells us exactly about what a noun is referring to in the sentence. Third point, third characteristic, determiners indicate whether the noun refers to a definite or indefinite component. This, you know that articles are there, definite article a and an, indefinite article indefinite article a and definite article is the. So we use, you know that we use all the three articles come under the category of determiners. Now classification of determiners. Determiners can be classified into these 4 types. First is articles, second demonstratives, third the quantifiers, and the last one is possessives. So determiner is the heading. We can classify it into 4 types, and the first one is articles, second demonstrative adjective, third the quantifiers, and fourth one is the possessives. Now one by one we will take up. The first type is articles. Now what are articles? All of you know articles a, an and the enhance the meaning of a noun in a sentence. This is the role of articles in a sentence. And article a and an are used in the indefinite sense and do not suggest any specific thing. For example, a pen and orange. In both these cases, any pen, any orange can be meant. There is no specification that a particular pen or a particular orange. But article A is used before consonant sounds, all of you know, and for singular number, and article an is used before vowel sounds. All of you know, before vowel sounds for singular number. Now, the article the is used before singular as well as plural, countable and uncountable nouns. Now, this article the gives a definite sense. So, a and an are used in singular number with indefinite sense, and the is used with singular as well as plural, countable as well as uncountable nouns, and it gives us a definite sense. Now, second type, demonstrative adjective. Demonstratives are, which words come under the category, which demonstrative adjectives are there? This, that, these and those. They are the demonstrative adjectives. They help us to point out the specific noun that we are referring to. For example, this apple is not sweet. Which apple? This apple. So they are demonstrating which apple. A particular. They are talking about something particular, pointing out that they are referring to which noun? This apple. Second example, these are my pets. They are talking about these are my pets. So this and these are here determiners. Now, third type, quantifiers. Quantifiers are used before nouns to indicate their quantity, the quantity of the noun. Some quantifiers are, for example, I have put here much, many, more, few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little, some, all, any, none, several, each, every, then other, another, a number of, a bit, a large amount, and so on. In this way, there are certain quantifiers which they just show the quantity of the noun in a sentence, and they are known as determiners because they determine the quantity of the noun. Now, the last one is possessives. Possessives indicate to whom the particular noun belongs. The particular noun, the thing which is there in the sentence, the noun, it belongs to whom. That word is known as possessive determiner. Okay, they are used to show possession or ownership or even a relationship with something. Something means the noun. What is the meaning of something? Thing means noun. What is the definition of noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, or a thing. Okay, so now I will tell you a few determiners, not all, but of just a few, that possessive determiners are which words? Whose, whom, which. They are question words, and they also determine the possession. That whose children, suppose I have written an example here, your book is new. Your word is a determiner. Just determining which book? Your book, and somebody's book is new. The same way, if we make a question, whose book is new? If teacher asks in the class, whose book is new? The answer would come, his book is new. Then the word his is the answer to whose book? His book. So in this, that's why we consider that few question words are also there which come under the category of possessive determiners, and they are whose, whom, which. These are question words, and apart from this, mine, your, their, our, his, her, and so on. These are the possessive determiners. An example I have put, your book is new. So your is a possessive determiner here. Second example, our children are intelligent. Our children. Whose children? Our children. So, or which children? Our children. So it is R is also a determiner. It is determining the children. Not all the children, but only our children, pointing out, determining. So R is a possessive word. It talks about the possession, our children, and that's why it comes under the category of possessive determiners. Thank you. God bless you.